we're doing here at Siemens Berlin is, for one side, we are a technology hub, and on the other side, a production side. Here within the AM business, we are like the core cell for certain R&D activities, alongside with academia and industry partners. My name is Julius Schupp, and I'm the project leader for the project called IDEA, and responsible for the industrialization efforts within the Siemens Energy community. Additive manufacturing is a vital technology for Siemens Energy because it enabled us to produce better products for our customers. We're printing predominantly parts for our gas turbine business as well for other new energy businesses, and we print prototypes on one hand and small series production on the other hand. But in general, we build the most complex parts we can think of. This is what we produce by additive manufacturing. The most challenging step after the additive manufacturing process is the depowdering, because we have a complex geometry, also long-winded cooling channels, and we need to depowder them properly. What we use for this is the Solukon SFM-AT800S system. The speciality with the Solukon machine is that we used intelligent mode with the SPR-Pathfinder software that allows us to basically take the design file, load it into the software and then transfer it to the Solukon system, and then automatically generates the motion necessary to guarantee powder cleanliness. The SPR-Pathfinder software allows us basically to not worry about any kind of depowdering on complex parts. So we don't need to do any kind of manual efforts. It is basically a plug-and-play software where, let's say, everything is done or calculated by the software and does not need manual intervention. The depowdering works the following way with the Solukon. So you basically take the build file with the parts on it, then you put it to the SPR-Pathfinder program, and then in the back derived from a flow simulation that calculates the motion necessary to ensure the powder cleanliness. You load the job file and then you execute it. So it's basically a fire and forgot system for the operator. The benefits of the SPR software is the following. So it's fully automated. It doesn't require any manual intervention. It does not require an operator to witness the process. And it allows reliable and robust depowdering result and is fully scalable into serial production.